gonna be a hotel tour of the Embassy Suites Hotel in Flagstaff, Arizona. As you can tell, it is cloudy outside. And we're gonna take a look at my room. We'll find out later on a bit. There's a lobby. Oh, there's a hotel front desk. And there's the elevator right over there. And there's the breakfast area, which is now closed. And I look right here, and there's the elevator. Main elevator. See? And then there's the fitness center. The fitness center, aka exercise room. This is a hotel exercise. Look at the mirror. Hey now, there's my belly. And there's a little front desk. And there's this is a lot of the mirrors everywhere. And then right here is the bathroom. Whispering Pines. There's a fire alarm. There's the elevator. Here's my room, 106. We'll film it at a hotel room tour later. Back here is the oxygen needed. Relax. Which one I'm going to the right. Here is my room now. Do you hear that? This is a ThyssenKrupp nudge mode. There's a hotel, 2 bedrooms. This is a hotel hoodie. And this is wear jacket. We're gonna keep it. We're gonna cool off. I found. Oh, there's a refrigerator. Nothing in there. And it's got a safe room. And here's the dad's workspace. There's a hotel. There's my bed. I wonder why he is in there. right now. There's my bear again. And there's my laptop. Let's take a look at the kitten. Let's take a look at the bath. The bathroom sink. It says, let me open it. Isn't that cool? It's got, here we are at the bathroom. As you can see under the shower, commodes. There's a, I don't know. Let me flush the toilet. That makes me feel loud. Yep. There's like a safety room. There. I have one more thing. There's, again, laptop. Flat screen TV, mirrors. Look, there's a view of the pool, Flagstaff pool area. Flagstaff kitchen in the breakfast area. I had to say notice. That's it. Bye. Thanks for watching.